my loves, and welcome back to this week's video. So today I'm going to be making avocado oil. Avocado oil is such a good oil for the hair. I'm going to be adding it into my hair regimen. So I love avocado because it's such a good moisturizer for hair. So today I'm going to be using 3 pieces of avocado because I couldn't find bigger ones. So these small ones, the 3 of them, will be able to give me quite a large quantity of the oil that I want. So I will use avocado oil because it's great for hair. It prevents hair loss. For anyone who is trying to manage their hair, who is trying to grow their hair, it's good that you prevent hair loss. So I'm using avocado oil today to prevent hair loss, and avocado oil strengthens hair. So I love the combination of anything that's trying to manage my hair. So this is what I'll be using, and not forgetting aloe vera. I love aloe vera for hair. It is such a good combination with avocado. So I'll put everything together and I will blend. So at this point, I want to welcome everybody who is joining us for the very first time on this channel. Thank you so much for coming by, and for all our new subscribers, a big shout out to you all. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for coming through. So on this channel, we do everything about hair and caring for our hair. So thank you so much for coming by and for subscribing. I really appreciate all the support. So I'll add a little bit of water in there and blend everything together.
Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice on the wrist.
So this is the mixture that we got after blending. I love the green and the consistency. I will go ahead and add some olive oil, of course. Very good to add into your hair. Olive oil, and then I will add 2 spoons of coconut oil. Very good for hair. It keeps hair thick, strong. I love coconut oil. And then I'll add a little bit of moringa. I had a little bit of moringa, so I added that too. And I mixed everything together like that, and then I put the whole bowl on boiling water, on top of boiling water like that. So I left it on for about an hour. It was low heat once I placed everything on there. So this is what I got. This is my oil after taking it off from the heat. It was cool at this point. So I'll go ahead and sieve it. I'm using a hair cap. You can use anything that can help you sieve. So when I used a hair cap, I had to sieve 2 times. So this is what I did. And I was really preventing myself from having to squeeze everything into the hair cap. I only wanted the oil to drip out, just like this. So I want the oil to drip out like that. Yeah. So I had to sieve this twice in order to get out as much oil as I could get. And this is the oil that we got. So what I did, I added a little bit of vitamin E in order to preserve the oil, because remember when I was blending, I added a little bit of water. So to preserve my oil for longer, I added vitamin E. So that's what we got. And this is such a beautiful, rich oil for my hair. I hope you learned something. I hope you can try it out sometime. So this is the end of this week's video. Thank you so much for coming by. I will see you all in my next video. Cheers.